I wanted to make a video about how to find the Taylor polynomials at a specific order because it was giving me a little bit of an issue. It's not that bad. All you need to do is first remember the formula that we need to for a Maclaurin series, which would be, you can put whatever you want over here, f to the n a divided by n factorial x minus a to the n. And we just need to use that formula. First, we're going to be calculating n equals 0, then n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3. First, we're going to start with the derivatives here. So double, and then 1, 2, 3. Let's write down the formulas. 2 ln x. Then we can start taking derivatives. 2 over x, negative 2 over x squared. And here we're actually just going to get 4 over x to the third. And then finally, we can plug in the numbers here. So 5, f prime of 5, f double prime of 5, f triple prime of 5. And then it's just going to be 2 ln of 5, 2 over 5, negative 2 over 5 squared, and 4 over 5 to the third. Then we can start adding them all up. So 2 ln of 5 is going to be the first one. These will be 0 factorial, which goes away, and then this will be x minus a to the 0, which goes away. And we're going to add the next term plus 2 over 5 divided by n factorial. N factorial is just one factorial, so I guess that'll just go away. And then we've got an x minus 5, that's what a is, to the 1 power. On the next one, we're going to do minus 2 over 5 squared. Again, we're going to divide this by n factorial, which is just 2 factorial. But I don't like this form, so I'm going to move this right in there. 2 factorial, and then 5 squared. All right, just sort of putting that down there. And then we've got an x minus 5 squared. And then we're going to finally add the fourth one, 4 over 5 to the third, and then here's a 3 factorial right next to it, x minus 5 to the third, and that's just sort of simplified down. Let's just use a quick little calculator. I mean, that should be your answer. We don't have to simplify this any further. So it's just kind of simple. Just make sure that number 1, you remember the formula. Number 2, make sure to set up your n's in a line, and then just do your derivatives, and then you can plug in. All right, so first, well, it's really just 2 steps, nothing too crazy, but step 1 is to derivatives, and then number 2 is to plug in a. All right, you just have to remember that. It's a little bit tough.